Welcome back everyone to another installment of a before and after. This home is actually a rental. As you can see, the big change in the exterior. Now this video is going to be a little different because we don't have the before video, but that's alright. We still had fun.
We're gonna take this step and put it over here once we take this deck out.
As you just saw, we removed the playground area. There was a storage shed with a ton of things that were left behind from the previous owner. So now we're just showing you some shots of some of the things that it takes to repair the exterior and the exterior of a home. A lot of times when we do the side-by-sides, we don't really show any of the details that take place on the exterior. So the first photograph showed some paint removal from the power wash, and we had to cut out some of the rotten wood and replace that. There were also a couple of cracks. We did repair the foundation, and D&D was able to smooth out a couple of the pieces that shifted or that broke before the original foundation. So now you get to take a look. We didn't put brand new appliances, but they were new appliances. The stove was brand new, and the fridge we were able to get second hand, but it was brand new and in working repaired condition. So the tenant should be nice and happy. As always, we put some new floors. We made sure everything was nice and level. We put fresh white paint, something neutral, so the person who moves in can enjoy the home and make it their own. This video was shot by Dylan in a crunch, so we're very excited that he was able to get that. Due to everything that's going on, we're trying to maintain as much social distancing as possible, but they did a really good job with this. I know the clients are extremely happy with the way the renovation came out. I know our property manager is very happy with the way everything turned out. And hopefully the new tenants will be very happy. This one should be rented extremely quickly. They got the stackable washer and dryer. Everything looks beautiful, and we hope that you enjoyed this video as always. Peace.